Hi, welcome to ANUBHAV, Understanding Your Leadership. Today we have with us Durgesh, General Secretary of the Students' Web Committee.
Hi, I am Durgesh, General Secretary of Students' Web Committee.
So, Durgesh, how would you describe your overall experience as the General Secretary of the Students' Web Committee?
Cool. Describing my experience as the General Secretary, the role of General Secretary is both challenging and rewarding as well. Like I get to work between the students' life and the technical, act as a bridge between both the things, and implement user-friendly, more student-friendly solutions that can be used and that can help simplify the manual processes happening in the campus. So yeah, in this way, like we developed a lot of things that help students genuinely in processes, and yeah, in that way.
So, what would you say are some of the key roles and responsibilities of the Gen Sec that the campus center may not usually notice?
Okay, so the role of General Secretary of Students' Web Committee is majorly lies between the coordination, like between the stakeholders of the projects that we deploy in the campus, and the aligning them with the what students would want, aligning with them and asking with the stakeholders, and taking all of them and deploying it into the product is what is the responsibility of the General Secretary of Students' Web Committee. So yeah.
During your tenure, what were some major agendas or initiatives or structural changes that you introduced that you will say that must continue in the next tenure?
Okay, so the major things that we did this tenure was the one major thing that everyone uses on campus is the gate lock for entry and exit at all the three gates. Basically, it was a very good initiative. What I think of is because in the start, people used to write on papers. It used to form a long queues of students everywhere on the gates. But after the deployment of the gate lock, it genuinely reduced to literally seconds. So yeah, that was a great initiative taken by the previous one, and we continued in all the three gates. And then we are also planning to deploy the similar system in the library token also, to digitalize that, to remove that lost and found part of the tokens. So yeah, all these systems that we are deploying right now will I want that this should be continued and made more robust and reliable for the upcoming tenures.
Sure. Looking back at your tenure, could you share with us one highlight and one major challenge that you faced?
Okay, highlight I can say is that when seeing the students using our products and genuinely appreciating the efforts that our developers, our designers and managers of different products and put in the products, and when they see that they are genuinely appreciated by the students, that makes me feel happy that the effort we have put into the product is accepted by the large amount of people and accepted by the admin as well. So yeah, that is the highlighting thing that we have done. And the challenges that we have faced is that the coordination between the team, between the student, between the admin, to take every requirement to maintain the technical feasibility as I talked about, and yeah, maintaining everything and delivering a right and a robust product. So that was a challenge that we faced.
What is the message to the upcoming candidates who will be contesting for the position of GSSWC?
Cool. So my message would be approach this role as a not as an individual project, but focus on creating more long-term oriented projects that would impact a large amount of students and admin as well. Also, always empower your team, take regular feedbacks from the students, from the admin, and implement what is required and what is genuinely wanted by the campus students. And yes, that's my message.
Thank you. That was ANUBHAV with Durgesh, General Secretary of the Students' Web Committee. And remember, clarity leads to informed voting.